So what are my 3 predictions for the field services industry in 2024? The first is that people are starting to recognize a big business transformation in field services. What do I mean by that? I think that people are now realizing that field services businesses aren't just jobs, but they are in fact legitimate businesses. They are high growth opportunities where people can use their heads in addition to their hands to scale their businesses, create really great entities that drive value for their customers, but also create value for themselves and create a really nice opportunity to continue to grow from a career perspective, whatever that means to them in terms of ability to make money, ability to drive a business, ability to learn new skills. And I think people are really starting to understand that the field services industry is one that really, through transformation, can become a much more different business than they've ever anticipated in the past. The second is the impact that technology is going to have on field services. As people realize that you can use technology to make a much more interesting business, a much more streamlined business, a business that can drive more profitability and drive sustainability is unmatched. Field service is a little bit of a laggard industry, and now we have the ability to use technology to catch up. Will AI ever disrupt the field services industry? I think we have a long way to go before AI can replace a plumber coming to fix things or an electrician coming to fix things. That said, I think that the field services industry will see things like AI come into play. People will be able to leverage AI to fix things faster and be more efficient and be quicker in triaging and solving problems that they may have out in the field. Overall, I think technology can have a huge impact on this industry, and I'm looking forward to see just how much it will change throughout 2024. The final is consolidation. I think what we're seeing, particularly in the US and in the UK, is consolidation of these businesses and then creating opportunities to cross-sell. So you've got PE firms and organizations that are buying low voltage companies, electronic companies, HVAC companies, plumbing companies, and then they're looking to put them together to create one big company and cross-sell between the different specificities of the field services. I think that's going to continue to happen more and more, and we're going to continue to see it more and more in 2024, which I also think creates great opportunities for us as a field services platform.